Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. Guys, here in Jacksonville, Florida, I want to welcome you to today's video, and it is a review video called the Traffic Masters Course Review. So I'm here at my login page for Traffic Masters. Oh, before I forget, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. And I do want to say that if you are a home business entrepreneur or an affiliate marketer looking for things to grow your mindset, different tools, tips to help you grow your business, you've come to the right channel. I would love to have you as a subscriber. So you see that little subscribe button, click that little subscribe button so that you're notified of any new videos that I do put out. So let's get into the meat of this video. So I wanted to do a review of my good friend Jazz Deep from Jazz Deep Solo Ads, his course called Traffic Masters. Now, Jazz Deep actually released his course some months back, like the beginning of the year. And I was one of the first group of people that actually had an opportunity to join his course as a test. Before he was actually going to be releasing it to everybody else. So now he's actually releasing it to everybody else, and I wanted to give you a review of Traffic Master. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my back office and kind of show you everything that you get with this course to help you basically master traffic. And Jazz Deep, like I said, Jazz Deep, I work with Jazz Deep. If you see in my previous videos, I work with Jazz Deep a lot. He provides a lot of traffic to my different offers. But I wanted to review this course. This was Jazz Deep's very first course on traffic. And this guy is a master at traffic. Not only just through his solo ads and through his different media traffic, but through free strategies as well. And this course covers nothing but traffic. So let me go ahead and kind of go through and show you all that you get with this course. And then as always, I will leave a link at the bottom so that if you like what you see from this review video, what you see in the back office, there'll be a link at the bottom and you can kind of read some testimonials about his Traffic Masters course and decide if it's something that you want to help grow your business. So let's hear. I'm actually going to, of course, take my eyes off the video, look at the screen, so I can go through everything for you guys. So here we are at the login page. So I'm going to log in to my Traffic Masters account. So you have, as you can see here, there's 8 different modules here. So here, of course, the welcome video. Under the Foundations tab in the very first module, you get Jazz Deep's first lesson is the mindset of a marketer. You get a live session, the mindset mission formula, the core theory, and I can look at these videos for you, and he kind of goes over a little bit the kind of mindset that if you are a home business entrepreneur, if you are an affiliate marketer, or even an online marketing, the kind of mindset that you need to have. So that's the most important thing. And that's the kind of videos that I do on this channel, because all the stuff that we do, you may be involved in this opportunity, it's an affiliate marketing program. But if you don't have the correct mindset, none of it actually matters. Because again, your mindset is going to determine how well or how hard you work towards reaching your goals with your home business or in affiliate marketing or whatever it is in. It's going to determine how hard you work, because even though this is a simple business, it's not easy, because you're going to have obstacles, you're going to have challenges, but it's when you have that right mindset and when you have a vision for your future that you're going to get through those challenges and get to the success that you want in your business, which is more leads and of course more sales. So that's the very first video, the mindset of a marketer, core theory, quick start funnel, He shows you a funnel here, which is really, really cool. I tell you, I love this course because this is basically everything you need to know about traffic is in this course. Module 2, he goes over the principles of good copywriting. Lesson number 2 is how to write persuasive copy with frameworks, proven case study, personally written by him. Module 3, funnel mastery. This guy goes through everything. I'm like, intro to conversion systems, CPA conversion systems, sell your own product, hybrid funnel, multiple streams of income, sell affiliate products, shows you how to do a bridge page. Module 4, content marketing mastery, overview, the organic sales, optimize your social media. So on Facebook, he shows you how to do all this stuff. How to build your audience, content creation, your content calendar, how to get massive engagement, how to warm up the algorithm for maximum engagement, over the shoulder organic marketing, live lesson, 30-day challenge. And when he first introduced this is awesome because it shows you how to go through a 30-day challenge on creating engagement on Facebook, which is really, really good. Also, module 5, traffic mastery. So he goes over Google AdWords, Bing PPC, set up your first successful campaign, media buying, YouTube advertising, email through solo ads, Facebook ads, YouTube mastery, sales mastery, how to sell directly from your Facebook profile, how to start messenger combos, how to get organic sales via messenger, high ticket sales. All of this is amazing. Just an amazing, amazing course. Module 7, the 7-figure branding formula, your unique audience, all this. Module 8, how to create your own digital products, product creation overview, product creation made easy, create your flagship course, launching your product via social media. Also, there's live mastermind courses that you get, and you get all the replays in here, as you can see. Oh my goodness. Bonus modules and resources. Email marketing tips, set up your CPA funnel, how to set up your rotator and ad offers. Just a plethora of videos and modules that really take you through step by step by step. So also, I forgot to mention that there's a private mastermind group. So if you go up here to private mastermind, this is the private mastermind that all members of Traffic Masters get to come into, to converse through chat, through many ways. You have a plethora. Not only is Jazdeep in here, but there's some other advanced marketers in here as well, from the beginning level to the advanced marketer. Everything you need to know how to get eyeballs on your offers is in this course. If you never want to buy another course, this is really all you need to master it. And again, Jazdeep has opened up this course. So I'm going to give my thumbs up, click, or whatever you want to say. It really is an amazing course. It really is an amazing course. And I'm honored to be one of the first group of people that he opened it up to before he closed it right away. Yeah. So guys, that's it. Traffic Masters, this course review. I hope you got some value out of this. Like I said, if you want to find out more about the course, as always, I will leave a link at the bottom. Check it out. I give it my thumbs up. Guys, this is Billy Josie here in Jacksonville, Florida. Again, great course from my good friend Jazdeep. Peace.